I've been feeling good tonight. See the spotlight, oh my god. Everybody's watching me. I'ma leave a prophecy. Hey, that's my move, yeah. I move like a queen. Maybe 1, 2, 3, everybody's copying me. I'm a trendsetter, you see. I feel like million bucks. I'ma take some pictures with my girls, cause I'm Snap it up like me, be confident now. Snap it down like me, don't ruin my vibe. Coming in hard and a snap like.
That was amazing! When we pioneered the foldables category, we wanted you to be able to imagine something different. An entirely new way to think about your smartphone. How it looks, how it works, what it can do. Our foldables didn't just introduce a new category, they changed smartphone behavior, shifting how we use our devices and giving us more control over what we're doing in the moment. When you open your phone, you can really immerse yourself in focus. And the simple act of closing your device signals to your friends that they have your undivided attention. That's an experience unique to our foldables. They also inspire new ways to express what makes you so unique. To tell you more, here's Dylan.
Thanks, Kim. Self-expression begins with the smartphone camera, and the Galaxy Z Flip4 brings a whole new world of perspective through FlexCam. You can capture photos and videos from different points of view with bolder angles than ever before. From above, below, or anywhere in between, effortlessly hold your device however you want to get just the shot you want. Galaxy Z Flip4 has completely changed how I use my camera, and it will change the way you capture your life's moments too. Has this ever happened to you? You're with your family or friends trying to get a group picture, and you want everyone in it. With the Galaxy Z Flip4, it's like having a camera and a tripod all in one. It offers a hands-free experience that lets all of your loved ones be a part of the memory, without having to ask a random person for help. And the Galaxy Z Flip4 combines that hands-free experience with the power of nightography into one flexible package. The camera comes with brighter sensors and more powerful NPU than previous models. That, combined with the pixel size increase from 1.4 to 1.8 microns, helps you capture more vivid and detailed photos. And with OIS and VDIS, it's easy to capture stable nighttime videos too. FlexCam also works great in Instagram. You can film stories and reels hands-free. There's so much you can do with that freedom. To share some of those unique experiences and more, here's Adam from Instagram.
Hi, I'm Adam Oseri, the head of Instagram, and thanks for giving me a couple minutes here today. Now, Meta and Samsung have been amazing partners for years now, and this year we're looking to deepen that partnership by improving the experiences of Meta apps on flip and fold devices that Samsung makes. Now, for Instagram and for Facebook, that means focusing on Reels, which is driving so much growth for both of those apps, and making sure that experience is working really, really well on these flip and fold devices. For Messenger and for WhatsApp, it's about improving the video chat experience on those devices, because we want the Meta apps to be as amazing as possible on these amazing Samsung devices. I'm particularly excited about something called Flex Mode, which allows you to put your device down and record content without even using your hands, which is kind of amazing and might just change the way that people create content more broadly. So check it out, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the event at Unpacked today.
Thank you, Adam. Isn't it remarkable how much the Flip elevates how we use our smartphones? FlexCam brings amazing ways to capture selfies too. The front-facing cameras on smartphones are typically smaller, so they don't interfere with the full screen experience. With the Galaxy Z Flip4, the powerful back camera becomes your selfie camera when you flip it closed. And you can see exactly how your shot will turn out right on your cover screen, bringing you higher quality photos, videos, and now even portraits too. And that's not all the cover screen offers. The way we're using our smartphones has been changing. Many of us are trying to manage our phone usage so we can connect more with the world. The act of closing your Flip sends a message to those around you that you're ready to fully engage in conversation. But when you need to, you can discreetly check notifications on your Flip's cover screen without interrupting the moment. It adds so much convenience to my daily routines. I can check and reply to new messages, or if I forgot to turn my lights off at home, I can do it remotely through SmartThings. All without opening my phone. My cover screen even makes it easy to pay for a cup of coffee. Thanks. My cover screen is my hub, where I keep all my cards, plus my license, tickets, and so much more. It helps me do more while carrying less. And it's all securely protected by defense-grade Samsung knocks, so I know my data is safe. The Galaxy Z Flip4's cover screen is more practical and more personal to you because you can customize the cover screen with your favorite clock, GIFs, or even videos. This cover screen is only one part of the Galaxy Z Flip4's design. It has more solid modeling, a smaller hinge, and bolder camera housing compared to previous models. And it has an aesthetic contrast between the matte back glass and the glossier metal frame, which makes it especially stylish. The all-new Galaxy Z Flip4 comes in 4 matte finish shades: graphite, pink gold, blue, and our favorite, Bora Purple, the iconic color that defines the Flip series. And speaking of icons,
moment is yet to come, yet to come. 당신은 꿈꾸는가? 그 길의 끝이 무엇일까? Moment is yet to come. 모두가 숨죽인 밤, 우린 발을 멈추지 않나. Yet to come. We're gonna touch the sky for the day we die. Moment is yet to come. 자 이제 시작이야. The best yet to come. The best. 'Cause I just wanna see the next. 눈부시게 지나온 기억들 속에 참 아름답게. Yeah, the past was honestly the best. But my best is what comes next. Never seeing it till more. 그날을 향해 또 우리답게. You and the best moment is yet to come.
Bora Purple looks amazing, doesn't it? It's the shade that Samsung is known for. And now, it's also available on our Galaxy S22. When we design our devices, we don't just focus on aesthetics. We make changes that strengthen durability too, to help it withstand accidents that can happen in everyday life. The Galaxy Z Flip4 comes with an Armor aluminum frame. We are bringing you advanced durability on both of your displays. The cover screen has our strongest glass, and the main display has an improved ultra-thin glass. And of course, our phones are still the world's only water-resistant foldables with an IPX8 rating. So you can rest assured that your phone will stay protected from the occasional spill or rainy day. Durability is all about being able to rely on your device, knowing that it's protected and knowing that you can count on it for longer. We wanted to bring you improved battery life without compromising the Flip's design. We made the hinge slimmer too, which made space for that improved battery, giving you a longer charge, which you'll need because we use our smartphones every day in so many ways. Like for video calling, Google Meet takes that experience up a notch. Built right into your device, you can now easily schedule calls straight from the calendar and connect with more people while sharing experiences together. You can watch videos on YouTube or listen to Spotify together with friends, opening up more ways to connect with the people you care about, right on Google Meet. The Galaxy Z Flip4 lets you do more things at once, even while being so compact. Whether you're booking a flight while watching videos, or messaging while on a video call, your experience is seamless, and all it takes is a few simple swipes. And we continue to collaborate with our partners to develop more of these unique experiences for our foldables.
Strutting your way into my heart. Take your head off, make yourself at home. Have a stay tonight, then strut on home. Day 1, I'm in love with the strut. Day 2, I'm in love with the strut. Day 3, I'm in love with the strut. And guess what? I'm in love with the strut. I like your strut. Do you wanna go strutting, strutting you like my strutting? Do you wanna go strutting, strutting you like my strutting? Then let's go strutting right now.
The Galaxy Z Flip4 is all about uniqueness, from its experiences to its design. We want our tech to be a reflection of who we are, so it's important for our phones to be customizable, inside and out. Introducing Galaxy Z Flip4 Bespoke Edition. Galaxy Z Flip4 Bespoke Edition brings you more options, giving you greater opportunities to customize your smartphone to your liking. With 5 body colors and 3 frame colors, mix and match for a combination that captures your exact personality and iconic style. And that customization experience extends to the inside of our Galaxy devices. One UI 4 empowers you to use and personalize your smartphone your way.
Your Galaxy devices, from the Watch 5 to the Buds 2 Pro, will pair and work together seamlessly with your Galaxy Z Flip4, enhancing so many aspects of your everyday life. While your Watch 5 helps take your health to new heights, your new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro will deliver the ultimate power of hi-fi audio, helping you tune into or out of the world around you while focusing on your fitness. All of these experiences are powered by your Galaxy Z Flip4's Qualcomm AP4 nanometer chipset, bringing you our latest and most powerful flagship performance yet. I'm thrilled to get my hands on the brand new Galaxy Z Flip4. It delivers more flexible and unique experiences that reimagine what a smartphone can do. The Galaxy Z Flip4 will be available for $999 starting on August 26th. On that same day, Buds 2 Pro will be available for $229, and Galaxy Watch 5 will be available from $279.